Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In this session, we focus on Rule 10 of the COLREGs, which governs the conduct of vessels within traffic separation schemes adopted by the organization. These schemes are like highways at sea, designed to reduce the risk of head-on collisions in busy or confined areas by separating opposing streams of traffic. A vessel using a traffic separation scheme must proceed in the appropriate traffic lane in the general direction of traffic flow for that lane. As far as practicable, you must keep clear of a traffic separation line or separation zone, which acts as the median strip between opposing lanes. When joining or leaving a traffic lane, you should normally do so at the termination of the lane, but when joining or leaving from either side, you must do so at as small an angle to the general direction of traffic flow as practicable to avoid disrupting the flow of other ships. Vessels should as far as possible avoid crossing traffic lanes, but if obliged to do so, they shall cross on a heading as nearly as practicable at right angles to the general direction of traffic flow. This 90-degree crossing ensures that the crossing vessel spends the minimum amount of time in the lane and presents a clear profile to the vessels following the scheme. A vessel shall not use an inshore traffic zone when she can safely use the appropriate traffic lane within the adjacent traffic separation scheme. However, vessels of less than 20 meters in length, sailing vessels, and vessels engaged in fishing may use the inshore traffic zone in all circumstances. A vessel other than a crossing vessel, or a vessel joining or leaving a lane, shall not normally enter a separation zone or cross a separation line except in cases of emergency to avoid immediate danger or to engage in fishing within a separation zone. Vessels navigating in areas near the terminations of traffic separation schemes shall do so with particular caution. Any vessel shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, avoid anchoring in a traffic separation scheme or in areas near its terminations. A vessel not using a traffic separation scheme shall avoid it by as wide a margin as is practicable. Furthermore, a vessel engaged in fishing shall not impede the passage of any vessel following a traffic lane, and a vessel of less than 20 meters in length, or a sailing vessel, shall not impede the safe passage of a power-driven vessel following a traffic lane. There are special exemptions for vessels restricted in their ability to maneuver when engaged in an operation for the maintenance of safety of navigation or laying cables within a scheme. By strictly adhering to Rule 10, mariners can navigate through the world's busiest shipping arteries with a high degree of order and safety, significantly lowering the potential for human error and dangerous close-quarters situations. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.